Did you know you can customize a contact's profile card and profile picture independently? You can even use the same image for both or apply it to just one of them. Let me show you how. First, open the Contacts app. Select the contact you want to customize. Tap the details icon. Then tap Edit. At the top, tap either profile card or profile picture. Next, choose an image from your gallery, Creative Studio, preloaded sticker, Galaxy avatar, or simply select a solid color. As the example, let's select the one from the sticker section. As you can see, a pop-up will appear asking where you like to apply it. By default, both profile card and profile picture are selected. If you only want to change one of them, simply uncheck the other option. Next, tap Done. Now you will see a preview of your customization. Here you can drag the image to reposition it, pins to zoom in or out. You can also change the style. Customize the contact's name, font, and size, and even apply visual effect. When you are happy with the result, tap Done, then tap Save. And that's how to customize a contact profile card and profile picture on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.